Are you looking for the best sliding compound miter saw? In this video, we will break down the top 4 sliding compound miter saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT DWS 780. It is a dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, meaning the blade on this miter saw tilts in both angle directions, allowing you to make precise cuts without needing to calibrate or adjust anything. It offers damn near every conceivable feature necessary to effectively slice miters and bevels with precision. Also, it has given the design of the back fence, you can cut up to 2 by 16-inch lumber at 90 degrees. At 45 degrees, you can cut 2 by 12-inch dimensional wood. Besides, it has fitted a robust 15-amp motor, and it has a lot less vibration than what you'll find with other similar saws, especially given the powerful 15-amp motor it possesses. For safety features, you'll get a transparent blade guard that is pretty standard. This saw is pretty easy to set up. It does require some assembly, but it's all quite straightforward and easy to figure out. The manual is actually really well written, so you can follow it pretty easily. Even a newbie can figure it out. Moreover, the precision in which it delivers such fine cut quality seems brilliantly balanced with the powerful 15-amp motor it harnesses. At number 2. Makita LS1019L. This is a perfect sliding compound miter saw. It is an excellent tool for multiple wood crafting tasks. The quality of material and parts used in manufacturing the tool makes it a highly powerful and durable machine. Also, this saw is a combination of great design, high performance, and accuracy. Moreover, some of its innovative features set it apart from many of the miter saws in the category. Plus, it has a powerful and smooth-running motor that is the heart of a sliding compound miter saw. And it provides a 15-amp direct drive motor that runs effortlessly in performing any job at hand. The uniquely designed dual sliding rails mounted on the side make it perfect for working in confined spaces. Besides, it has linear ball bearing that facilitates super smooth sliding, ensuring high precision and accuracy in multiple types of operations. Moreover, this is a high-capacity sliding miter saw with a laser guide. It can execute the cutting jobs of 4x4 lumber passes in a single go with equal ease and speed as executing the jobs of baseboard cutting or crown molding. It offers a wide range of woodcutting jobs that match many 12-inch miter saws. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 3. BOSCH GCM12SD. This is a double bevel sliding compound miter saw. It is one saw out of many that will really make your dreams come true in terms of their quality. One important feature of this saw that makes it stand out is the axial glide system. The axial glide system does not use the traditional rail setup of other sliding miter saws, which can get messed up and usually requires maintenance to keep working perfectly. Instead, it makes use of a kind of robotic gliding arm that makes it possible to glide the saw to and fro through cuts effortlessly. Also, this makes it possible to sit the saw just against the wall of your shop, helping you save an extra 12 inches of space behind the saw that could have been occupied with the rails of a traditional sliding miter saw. The setup of this saw is also very easy and intuitive. It requires only minor alignments out of the box. It's equipped with quick-release square lock fences which come aligned out of the box at 90 degrees to the saw's table and require little or no adjustments. Besides, the fences make use of an easy lock and unlock feature which makes it easy to slide the fence perfectly into position for easy and accurate alignment of the workpiece. The saw comes with a 60-tooth BOSCH carbide blade which cuts very fast and smooth for a 60-tooth blade. Furthermore, if you desire more quality in the cuts, then you can purchase 96-teeth Freud or Forest blade which will give you that extra smoothness you desire. The saw is also fairly big and heavy, making it an excellent choice as a workshop miter saw rather than a job site saw. Overall, this saw is a top-notch saw and will get the job done quickly and with great accuracy. At number 4. Delta 26-2241. This is a single bevel compound miter saw. It offers a mix of durability and power and is a good choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. This saw has a 15-amp motor that can deliver up to 4,000 RPMs. There is also an adjustable miter detent plate made from stainless steel for added durability. It comes with 14 positive stops, which you can override and then adjust to whatever setting you prefer. Also, this miter saw has a crosscut capacity of up to 2 by 8 inches at 90 degrees. With an increased crown capacity of 45 degrees, it goes up to 7.5 inches. It can bevel to the right up to 47 degrees and to the left for up to 47 degrees as well. It has a total of 7 positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 33.9 degrees, 45 degrees, and more of the usual popular positive stops. In terms of miter capacity for the 26-2241, you'll be working with a range of 50 degrees to left miter, 60 degrees to the with 10 miter detents and positive stops. Moreover, it is a bulky and well-built miter saw that has some exceptional engineering qualities. And with every purchase of this sliding compound miter saw, you will also get a dust bag, vertical clamp, side handles along the base, a carbide blade, and a blade wrench.